Hi, it's Renee Photography here, and today we're going to be talking about presets. Presets are really useful when you have multiple images in the same location with similar lighting conditions, and you can just use them to copy and duplicate, change, or edits on each photo, which is very, very useful. So once you're happy with edits that you've made on an image and you want to duplicate it or create a preset, you'll just hit this little icon up here, or that's called presets, or hit Shift and P at the same time on your keyboard. Once you're here, you'll just click the little plus sign here, create your preset. So from here, then you can name your preset to whatever you want, and you can check and uncheck whatever settings you want to copy over. And then once you're done making the changes that you want, so you can go down, uncheck like anything or check anything that you would like to keep. Once you're done with all of that, you'll hit save and you'll notice that it worked because it'll say test added to yours over and then user presets. Then you'll click on a photo that is not edited. So I'll just say like one of these, for example. Or actually, let's just do one of these. And then you'll go down to your preset that you just saved. So make sure you go all the way down to this one here because I hit test. And you notice, bam, it will auto apply everything that you have saved on the preset. And that includes AI settings. So if you have denoise or anything like that, it will update on the image as well. So just take note of that. So yeah, this is a very quick way on how to create presets and how to apply them to images. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comments below or let me know if there's anything that you would like to learn next.